Jane.
I put my name in. I give the that boy.
Yeah, but you don't have to put it now. Name change is different, the other name is different. No, the other is running away now. He is different.
No, I put the card. That one is different.
Because in your school, she need to put her mother's name. So they going to take the admission. You know, if my marriage registration, I'm telling them one thing is very good. I have this on the divorce paper. Just divorce. It should be a very good. So the thing is, let me tell you, I don't know that I'm telling you about you don't know what to bring people. You know what they did for this one? Ellie. Because Ellie is capable of history. She needs citizenship card. Citizen card. Citizen card. She needs the citizen card to go to citizenship. No, this is break in. It is second grade. She cannot make her mother is dead. Her father is working very big. Her father is not like that. Not only him,
Still,
even
baby,
no.
still too. Nepal, everything. Now they're saying September, until now. So it's not possible this. If even